In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. Then choose OK. And as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now you need to adjust it. At the top, select Add Label to name it and OK to save its name. Then tap on Days of the week you wish to set up. Turn it on or off thanks to this switcher right next to it. And to exclude some days of the week, click on this plus next to Pause Alarm. Pick your dates, hit OK, and then to remove them, use Remove button right next to them. Now tap on this little bell, click on YouTube Music or Spotify at the top and log in to use music from one of your platforms. Select Sounds and tap on Add New to click on any song from your device, or apply one of those melodies by clicking on the best one. Then use this icon next to Vibrate to turn it off or on, and this plus next to Google Assistant Routine to add your alarm to it. When you finished, you can hide all of those options by clicking at the top right corner. If you want to edit it, click on the top right corner again and make your changes. To get rid of it though, use this bin icon at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!